Welcome to the Complete Web Developer Bootcamp with Rails. This is a comprehensive online training course that will transform you into a job-ready programmer. You're going to learn by building and launching real-life web applications with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby on Rails, and a lot more. So why should you learn Rails? It allows you to build things really quickly, and it's one of the highest paying programmer titles out there. The average salary is over $100,000 in a lot of cities. We're simply not creating enough programmers to match the number of jobs that are opening up each year in technology. Because of this, being a Ruby on Rails web developer, the power is in your hand to choose where you want to work, who you want to work for, whether you want to work from home, which city you want to live in, all while getting paid a great salary. My name is Rob Day, and I'm your instructor for this course. I've had success as a web developer building technology for companies like Coca-Cola, Edison Nation, Toyota, Newell Rubbermaid, First Data, Bennigan's, Getaround, and more. I'm a self-taught programmer, and after teaching myself the right skills in a short amount of time, I was receiving job offers of over $100,000 from multiple companies. But learning to code was actually really hard. I looked into nearly every course, book, and website out there, but I was surprised at how difficult it was to find one single course that could explain everything I needed to know in simple, clear language. That's why I created this course. It's literally the course I wish I had when I was learning. It takes you through everything you need to know to be a confident web developer. So I've compiled all of my study guides, as well as things that I've learned on the job, and I've put it together in this course without the inefficiencies and without the time wasters that I ran into when I was learning. The course is designed to be comprehensive, yet taught in a simple language. I wanted it to feel like a friend walking you through the concepts as opposed to someone just lecturing. And the best part is that you're going to be building real things, and these things will actually serve as your portfolio to get jobs. You'll even learn how to build your own startup by creating a site that can take payments and sign customers up on a monthly subscription fee. And you can use the code to build your own business or online store. After that, I'll walk you through the best world-class resources for learning AngularJS and Node.js so that your skills are attractive to even the most cutting-edge companies. Also included with this course, you'll get a downloadable ebook that explains how to find work as a freelancer or a full-time employee and earn $75,000 to $100,000 in the next year. You'll also learn exactly where to look for the best jobs and how to find jobs where you can work from home or work remotely. By the end of this course, you'll have learned one of the most in-demand and highly paid skill sets around, with a job market that's in your favor as a confident, full-stack Ruby on Rails web developer.